going to tell you that how we can insert the image in our Tkinter window. Go to the file, save the file into the desktop with the name image in Tkinter. Let's import the Tkinter library into our file. To do that, let's type from Tkinter import star. Star says for everything. Now initialize the tk class with the name variable tk. I am going to give some height and the width 600 is our width and 600 is our height. I am make the window into the main loop, so our window will come into the running state. Now to create a label we have used the label class, and to create a button we have used the class named button. Now to create a photo we will use the class name photo image. Let's say photo image. Now initialize it with some name. I am going to save it as a name photo and tell the photo image constructor where we have saved our image. So we have to tell the photo image that where we have saved our image, so it will take the image from that directory and place it into our Tkinter window. So now I am going to download some images from the Google. Go to Google background image. If you have images in your computer, please skip this step. Go to the image, save image as. I am going to save the image parallel to my Tkinter file on the desktop. Now let's back to our code. Say that download.jpg. Now make a label. Label is not just for creating the text, it is also helpful when you want to place the image into the Tkinter window. Label, make sure our label is in the Tkinter window. This time I am not using the text, I am using the image. So image over image is equal to photo. Now place the label dot place. As you know that before that we are using the text instead of image. So to make the image into our Tkinter, we have to use the image, not the text. So I am going to place the label x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Now go to the run and run module. As you can see that we got some error, could not open download.jpg, no such file or directory. So let's take a look what happened. Go to the desktop. As you can see that our file is with the name of gfif. So I am going to say gfif. As you can see that we have got the same error. What happening? Because our image is in the jpg, gfif and in some other formats. We have to make the image in the png format to make it readable for our photo image class. Our photo image class is only capable to read the .png format files. To use the JPG files, we have another library pillow which will help you guys to embed some JPG, PNG and GIF images into your Tkinter window. But to make the video simple and clear, I am going to save this file with the extension of PNG. So to do that, I am opening my paint, opening the file, open, download, and I am going to save the image in the PNG format. So press the save button. Yes, I am going to replace the GFIF format with the PNG. I am going to run this file, run module. Okay, and you can see that we have successfully embedded our image in our Tkinter box. Thank you.